Alright, welcome to my channel. My name is Maz White and I'm just so glad to have you out there watching me. Alright, please go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you got to be informed every time I upload a video on this YouTube channel. Alright, now the video I'm making today is about how to find a profitable niche in affiliate marketing. Okay, how to find a profitable niche in affiliate marketing. Now the reason is this: oftentimes I have newbies affiliates, people affiliates who are new on the platform, and having gone through a lot of tutorials and all that, you discover that most time uh, they are confused. New affiliates are confused. They don't really know from what niche to pick up a product and promote. So if you are somebody like that today and you are really confused about the best niches or the most profitable niches and to promote online, this video is for you. Okay, sometime in my affiliate journey I was in that kind of situation where I didn't know exactly what to pick up, from what niche to pick up and begin to promote. All right, and so I today's video is just gonna be just gonna settle that confusion in your mind. All right, okay, so I encourage you to watch this video until the ending. All right, watch this video until the end, and you're just gonna it's gonna solve that, it's just gonna answer that question for you. All right, now there are three profitable niches, all right, that I'll be mentioning in this video. One is health. The health niche is a profitable one. All right, the health niche is a profitable one. Okay, the second niche is wealth. All right, the wealth niche is a profitable one because a lot of people want to be wealthy. All right, a lot of people want to sort out their financial problems. All right, a lot of people are looking for how to make additional income to augment their income. All right, I tell you that everybody loves financial freedom, and I bet you that there is nobody there that doesn't want to have financial freedom. All right, now I just mentioned two niches: health, wealth, and the final niche is the relationship niche. Okay, the relationship niche is another lucrative niche that is paying. All right, the relationship niche. So I encourage you to go to ClickBank, check out the niches and the sub niches. All right, so when it comes to these three niches, there are also what we call the sub niches. All right, these are smaller niches below these major niches. All right, for instance, when you talk about the health niche, all right, you have the weight loss niche, and you have the anti-aging niche. All right, you have the anti-aging niche, you have the diabetic niche, you have the arthritis niche, and loads of niches still under the health niches. Just go and check them out and see the sub niches that resonate with you and pick up from there. All right, but the health niche is quite a profitable niche for any serious affiliates. All right, and below the wealth niche, all right, we also have the sub niches below the wealth niche. All right, we have things like make money online. Like for me, I prefer the make money online sub niche. All right, we have the make money online sub niche. All right, we have the investment sub niche. There is the trading sub niche. There is credit fixing and credit card fixing and all that. So you just go to clickbank.com and check out the sub niche below this very sub niche, the wealth sub niche. All right, and the final sub niche is the relationship sub niche. I tell you, the relationship niche is actually one big bang. Okay, it's a profitable niche, and I tell you, it's a multi billion-dollar industry, the relationship niche. And you're talking about dating, you're talking about marriage, you're talking about romance, a lot of things. You're talking about zodiac and a lot of them. All right, there are other sub niches within the relationship niche that you can practically promote online and make money. If you've been online for some time now, you would understand that the dating apps or dating sites are really growing. All right, and I tell you, if people are not, if they don't have audience, if there are no audience or market for such niches, it wouldn't be growing the way it is growing right now. Okay, so there is market for the relationship niche. There's a huge market for it, and recently I read some things online that really blew my mind. All right, about the relationship niche, and I tell you, that niche is selling, and anybody who's going to position him or herself within that niche is definitely going to be making a huge income. All right, so you check out the relationship niche. It's a profitable niche on its own. All right, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay, and hit the notification button. Leave a comment if what I'm saying makes sense. All right, leave a comment, and that is it for this video. I let me give a recap again for the profitable niches. Number 1 is health, number 2 is wealth, number 3 is relationship. Okay, relationship niche, and these niches are really making money. All right, they are all profitable niches, and you are bound to make profit from these niches if you follow hard. Thank you, and God bless you for being there. See you in my next video. Thank you.